冇嘢係唔得嘅，冇嘢係唔得嘅，冇嘢係冇可能嘅，冇嘢係冇可能嘅。
The above two sayings are common sentences we always use to encourage people pressing on. They both mean nothing is impossible. For example,
冇嘢係唔得嘅，肯努力嘅話，你都會考到好嘅成績。冇嘢係冇可能嘅，肯努力嘅話，你都會考到好嘅成績。
in English, it means nothing is impossible. If you work hard, you can also get a good result in the exam. I also think of an idiom that has a similar meaning. It is
人定勝天，人定勝天。
Its direct translation is people can conquer the sky. In our culture, we believe fate or destiny. Everything is preset and nothing can be changed. When someone sees the situation is not his favor, he may believe it is his fate and not try to change the situation. At this moment, you can say
人定勝天，冇嘢係唔得嘅。人定勝天，冇嘢係唔得嘅。
to encourage him. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you next time.